Yeah, hi. So I've just been messaged that Trevor Dawson has been to Albury, okay, possibly to pick up his new guitar, and he will be passing through, the great man will be passing through right over there in the train in a very few minutes, and I thought I'd come out and we'll take a video of the train and maybe wave and see if someone in the train waves back that looks like Trev. Okay? So we're going to wait. Okay, you can hear in the background the sound of the bells. The bells, the bells. Yes, they're the bells of the railway crossing, and that means the train is imminent. Well, imminent. Trev's going to be on. I hope he waves. I texted him. You better wave. Okay. So the train will be along very soon. Apparently it's express. So we're going to get the best possible shot of the train coming through. Yes. There we go. Okay. When I see that train, I'll whip the camera off the tripod and we'll go running out. Might go running out anyway. Hang on, we'll do that. Here we go. We're going to run out. We're rolling. Yes. We're looking for the train. I hope the exposure is going to be alright on this, because we're in the sun. And this is set up for last night. So I hope you're seeing everything. Here it comes. Here it comes. The train carrying Trevor Dawson is approaching. Okay, I couldn't see him. But there he goes. Unbelievable. Okay. Trevor has left Chiltern. Did you see anybody waving? I didn't see anybody waving. Maybe it's the exposure on this because it was set up for last night in the lights. But anyway, we'll take it back. We'll have a look at the card and we shall find out whether we saw the one, the only Trevor Dawson. Maybe he was waving his guitar. You never know.
Hi, good morning. Happy Saturday morning. Here we are. And feeling good after what's been a tumultuous week. We've finally got our car back and everything's okay with our car. And we've done the open mic, which was nerve-shattering to say the least, for me anyway. Not for Trev. Trev's been doing it for years, and Lefty's been doing it for years. I've got a few more songs which we'll do, and another open mic which we'll organise. I'm not quite sure where yet, whether it's going to be at Happy Valley or at Beechworth or some other place. I'm just not sure where we'll do it yet. But also, I've been asked to have someone with me, my old mate Rick, who plays bass guitar. We'll get there and we'll play a few songs and it'll be great. But right now, on a Saturday morning, we'll go back to Thursday night. We've got a couple more clips of the carry-on at the Ironbark Tavern open mic. Here they come now. This is my old buddy Graham Chandler. Everyone calls him Lefty. I don't know whether he won a bet or lost a bet, but I love the haircut, Lefty. And here he is.
Oh, life is bigger. It's bigger than
And this is the one and only Trevor Dawson. And this is all the faffing around that goes on before we start to sing, and you've got to get yourself plugged in and everything. And it does take a while. Everyone's watching. It's awful. It's one of those, anyway, you want to get it over and done with as quick as you can. And there's that bloke yelling. All right, here we go, Trev. Come on, hurry up now.
Good evening, mate. Or good morning. Hey, Trev. It's good to be here in Chiltern. It's been a while since I've been here. It's good to be back here. Anyway, I'm going to sing my songs. This one's called Down by the Riverside, so you'll know this one. Well, I met my little brown eyed dog down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. Well, I met my little brown eyed dog down by the riverside, down by the riverside. But I asked her for a little kiss down by the riverside, down by the riverside, hey, down by the riverside. I got my little kiss.
Yeah, well, I don't know who this bloke is, but he's all right, I suppose, if you like that kind of thing. Here he is.
That frozen concoction that helps me hang on, wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaken songs.
I hate to butt in on such a lovely song, but you may notice if you look very closely that this bloke's eyes are firmly shut. He hasn't opened his eyes since he started singing, and it's a good thing he can play guitar without looking. That's all I got to say. He must be very nervous.
Some people claim there's a one to blame, but I know it's my own damn fault.
Yeah, and that's basically what happened at the open mic. It was fun. A lot of other people were there too. I thought I'd just pick out a few people that we sort of know, because all those people and a few more others came round here afterwards. It was like the Elton John after party. Yeah, no, it was. Everyone came round here for coffee. We should have done some videoing. I had a flat battery, and everyone had flat batteries. So, but next time, well, when we've sort of started a tradition now, and what happens is, after the open mic, everyone comes around here. Okay. So, everyone's going to come around here. We're going to have coffee, and we might actually have a jam here, and that'll be just for YouTube sort of thing. We'll just do this thing here. That'll be great. Anyway, that'll be next time. So we'll look forward to that. I know Trevor will be in for that, and Lefty will be in for that, and whoever else turns up. Because Dad was here, Trevor's dad was here, and Lefty was here, and we had the good coffee too. Yeah, late at night drinking coffee. Mind you, I slept. Funny about that. Anyway, hope you have a great weekend. See you next week.